With a 75 mAh battery life, you'll supposedly get 8 hours of usage even when using both screens, which is by no means revolutionary but is made even better thanks to fast charging capabilities, allowing you to charge up to 60% charge in less than 50 minutes. Of course, one of the major benefits of the ASUS Zenbook Duo 2025 edition is the up-to Intel Core Ultra 9 285H processor, which utilizes Intel AI Boost. You get a range of AI-ready features, as well as a dedicated NPU and graphics, making tasks easier with AI enhancement. You get all the benefits of Copilot Plus to help save time with day-to-day tasks. All in all, the ASUS Zenbook Duo is a stunning and versatile piece of kit. The flexibility the dual screen provides is fantastic, and it's simple to use and set up, allowing you to take advantage of two screens no matter where you are. The screens look stunning and are sure to catch eyes if you're ever using this laptop on the go. A downside is the battery life not being as powerful as some other laptops on the market, but it's by no means disappointing, easily carrying you through a full workday with two displays in use. The keyboard is also a bit flimsy due to how thin it is, but could easily be something I'm able to get used to. On first inspection, the ASUS Zenbook Duo 2025 resembles a normal laptop, but lift the wireless keyboard and underneath is a second screen, which is only activated when the keyboard is removed, so you don't have to worry about power draw. As well as standard laptop mode, the ASUS Zenbook Duo allows you to utilize dual screen mode as you'd expect, as well as other options like desktop mode and even screen sharing. While it might sound intimidating at first, swapping between different modes is easy and seamless, allowing you to go from laptop mode to dual screen mode within seconds thanks to the built-in kickstand. You get stunning dual 3K, 120Hz OLED panels which look absolutely breathtaking. Visuals are gorgeous on this device, with amazing breadth of color and all the other advantages of OLED screens.